Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Yaris and Honda Civic. We'll explore their core characteristics, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. We'll cover everything from engine performance and fuel economy to interior design and practical features. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of each car's strengths. When it comes to performance, the Honda Civic generally provides a more spirited driving experience with greater horsepower. However, the Toyota Yaris often excels in fuel efficiency, especially in urban environments, making it a smart choice for daily commutes. Both models are celebrated for their dependable engines and smooth, responsive handling. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: buying a car is a big financial decision, and a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth. Check the description for a link to the book and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Honda Civic typically offers more generous passenger and cargo space, making it ideal for families or those needing extra room. The Toyota Yaris, conversely, shines with its compact dimensions, offering superior maneuverability and easier parking in tight city spots. Both vehicles come equipped with important safety features and user-friendly technology.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.